All right, hi everybody. I want to show you how to get started with your Google presentation for the English documentary film project. You will probably find this useful in the future as well for making presentations because you won't have to run into problems with transferring the homework that you do to school. All right, you'll just be able to log in and then show it on whatever computer that classroom has available. On the blog, you'll see the English documentary project right there. I'm going to embed this video onto here for a moment. As I said, I changed a couple of things. The first thing I changed was that you can use a different documentary that isn't from one of these sites if it's G or PG rated and your parents approve. So in Google Drive, you're going to create a presentation. And it looks just like a PowerPoint or a Keynote or a Haiku deck. Choose a template. It's super simple. And for each slide, you can insert a new slide. You can delete a slide. You can do whatever you want right there. You can add transitions. You can add themes. You can change the layout. For instance, on this one, maybe I'm just looking for text and a list or a paragraph. Or perhaps I'm looking for something else. So maybe I'm looking for just a plain slide. If you're just using photos like the one I used for Maiden Trip. So once that's done, I would name it first, of course. My documentary film presentation. Or your GILM presentation. Also, it would be much more useful if you share it with me right away. Because if you do that, then when you come up to present, I won't have to log off and log you in. I'll just be able to show it from my account. So share it with me. That would be great. So other than that, I'm pretty sure you can figure out the rest, how to put text in, how to change colors, and so on. But I did want to show you one last thing on how to put in images. So if you were looking for an image, for example, if you were looking for the image of a raccoon, let's say, for any reason, right, and you found what you wanted, a good idea is to just go into the view image mode so that you can see the JPEG file there. And then you can copy that link, or you can do it this way too. You can right click and do copy image URL. And you can just insert that image now by URL, paste it in, and it makes it really easy, right? The other way you could do this is you could also insert the image from your computer like you're used to doing. Like you can upload it, right? A lot of different ways to do this. It saves automatically. You don't have to worry about it not saving. And if you shared it with me, I will always get the most updated version of that file. So everyone should use this if they're using, if they're planning on not using an iPad. But if you would prefer to use one of our class iPads, you may do so. All right, you just need to sign up for it. And you can use Haiku Deck or Keynote on that iPad. If you're using your own iPad, I highly recommend just use like Haiku Deck, and then we can AirPlay it on the day. All right, anybody have questions about how to make their slides? Seems pretty simple, right?